There is a lot of noise right now. And when noise rises, the victimizer loop tries to hijack the nervous system through rage, fear, and reaction. Hi, my name is Kayla Owens, and this is Embodied Emergence. If you're new to meeting me, I have experience being spiritually hijacked. And taking responsibility for your inner state does not mean bypassing what you feel. And the feelings are real, right? The program that is running right now is meant to invoke rage, fear, and reaction. And taking responsibility for the inner state does not mean bypassing those things. It means refusing to let that loop run you. So I'm opening a moment of stillness, not to fix anything, not to convince anyone, just to regulate together. If you're feeling activated, triggered, or pulled towards outrage, just pause with me. Let the body find a neutral point. And I'm holding a resonance anchored in what I call the eternal wind song. And it is the quiet intelligence that moves through the breath and the elements and the space when we stop forcing meaning into it. And you don't need to understand that language. You only need to notice your breath. We are safe to receive, and we are safe to release. And right now, if you look at the frequency of our planet, we are going through some treacherous times here, but we are safe to receive this new higher frequency, right? And we are safe to release the stories and all of the programming and the conditioning that is pulling us towards rage right now. So as the body softens, we let the excess charge just drain, not into blame, not into suppression, but into the larger field of life. And in this still point, we bless our ancestors. We bless our bloodline lineages and all the parts of us that learn survival through conflict, not with approval, but with grace and compassion. Rage does not need an enemy to resolve. It needs space, safety, and coherence. So take this moment and let that loop loosen and let the system remember another option. We are all that we need, and the power is inside us.